Friends, I am Kanishk from Global Abacus Academy. Today I am introducing you Abacus kit. This is Abacus or called as Sorable. In this kit, this is the frame and this is the divider. These dots are called as housing points. These upper side beads are called as upper beads and these lower side beads are called as lower beads. This is the units place: tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Before these are decimals, which will you learn later. Thank you.